Yes. I think yesterday one question pending, no? We'll finish first that question. Afterwards, we'll start exercise 3. Right, that question, yesterday one question pending is that. Sixth one is pending. If A is equal to 1, 1 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 3, 5, 4 minus 7. Find determinant of A. Find determinant of A. How to solve this question, my dear students? Very simple. Determinant of 1, 1 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 3, 5, 4 minus 7. Any students, if you are absent for yesterday's class, please check once again how to find the determinant of a matrix. 1 into, close first row, first column. Close these two values, dear students. Then what you will get? 1 minus 3, 4 minus 7. Minus 1 into, close first row, second column. Dear students, first row, second column, all the elements left. 2 minus 3, 5 minus 7. Minus 2 into, close first row, third column. 2, 1, 5, 4. 1 into, minus 9 plus 12. Minus 1 into, minus 18 plus 15. Minus 2 into, 8 minus 5. 12 minus 9, 3. Minus 3, minus 1, minus plus 3. 8 minus 5, 3. Minus 6. 6 minus 6, how much? 0. Everyone got 0 answer? Everyone got 0 answer? Yes. Do it. Very dear students. Easy questions. Just by determinants. That's it. Clear? Can I move to the next question? Next concept, everyone. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. See, dear students, area of triangle. How to find area? Last one, regular class. Area of triangle formula.
Height.
Huh?
Half into x1 into y2 minus y3.
X1, Y1, B, X2, Y2, C, X3, Y3. So, area of triangle is equal to half modulus of X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3, 1, 1, 1, or half into X1, Y1, X2, Y2, X3, Y3, 1, 1, 1. You can write in any way. You will get the same answer. Understand? You can do like this. You can write like this or like this. You will get the same answer, my dear students. Okay, area of triangle formula is this one. Copy it, formula. Now in third exercise, after finishing first exercise, we are coming back to third exercise. By means, complete first exercise like we are doing the third exercise also. From the third exercise, we are getting on 2 mark question compulsory. Okay. For all the questions in third exercise, we are using this formula. Write fast. Write fast, everyone. Completed, everyone? Shall we start problems? Everyone is ready?
Yes, sir.
See, complete third exercise problems we will discuss today. We'll finish third exercise. Find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle with vertices. Question number 1. 1, 0, 6, 0, 4, 3. They given 3 points. How to find area of triangle? I'll explain one question. See, half into determinant of 1, 0, 6, 0, 4, 3, 1, 1, 1. Why we are writing 1, 1, 1 means the third column is empty. No, that column we can write always 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now you see, half into area means always positive. That's why I can use modulus symbol. 1 into close first row, first column. 0, 1, 3, 1. Minus second element 0 is there. 0 into anything 0. So I can write 0. Plus third element 1 into close first row, third column. First row, third column. 6, 0, 4, 3. Half into 1 into 0 minus 3 minus 0 plus 1 into 18 minus 0. Anyone got the answer? Half into minus 3 plus 18. 15 by 2 square units. Area, no? Area you can represent with square units. Dear students. Area we can represent with square units. Any doubt, anyone? You know already how to find the determinant. The same determinants I did. Same determinant I did. Understand? But half I wrote. Why half means area of triangle. Understand everyone? Any doubt? Good evening, Gohita. Wait.
It should be in fraction form only, sir.
Yeah, you can keep it always fraction form. No need to write point value.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Shall we move to the next question, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Two comma 7, 1 comma 1, 10 comma 8. First one, the second one. 2 comma 7, 1 comma 1, 10 comma 8. Can you find the answer? Can I get 2 minutes time, everyone? Yes or no? Can you find the answer?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir, 47 by 2 square unit.
ಬ್ಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
What happened? What happened?
Sir, 47 by 2 square units.
Correct answer. half into 2, 7, 1, 1, 10, 8, 1, 1, 1. Half into first element 2 into close first row first column 1, 1, 8, 1 minus 7 into close first row second column 1, 1, 10, 1 plus 1 into close first row third column 1, 1, 10, 8. 2 into 1 minus 8 minus 7 into 1 minus 10. 8 minus 10. 1 minus 8 minus 7 minus 9 minus 2. Minus 14 plus 63 minus 2. 47 by 2 square units. How many got the correct answer? Dear students, how many got the correct answer?
I got, sir.
Okay, good. You can message me in the chat box. I got the correct answer like that. Good, Chetan. Can I go to the next question, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Minus 2, minus 3. 3 comma 2. Minus 1, minus 8.
Sir, 15
What happened?
units.
Huh? Better you can write in the chat box, Hemant. Answer.
15 units.
Half into minus 2, minus 3, 3, 2, minus 1, minus 8. 1, 1, 1. Half into minus 2 into 2, 1, minus 8, 1. Minus of minus 3 into close first row second column 3, 1, minus 1, 1. Plus 1 into close first row third column 3, 2, minus 1, minus 8. Half into minus 2 into 2 minus or minus plus 8 minus or minus plus 3 into 3 minus or minus plus 1. 3 8s are minus 24 plus 2. Correct now? 8 plus 2, 10 2s are minus 20. 4 3s are 12. Minus 22. Half into minus 30. Modulus of minus 30 plus 30 by 2. 15 square units. That only I said? Correct. That's why I said use modulus. Why we are using modulus means area is always positive. You cannot write negative in area. You can write always positive. That's why. Right, everyone? Everyone got the answer correct? 15? Anyone having any doubt? Why people are not reacting?
No doubt, sir.
Can I go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, bonus. Cut money, okay.
Hello.
Show that the points are collinear. Question number 2. Question number 2, they given like this. Show that the points, all the points they given A comma B plus C, comma B comma C plus A, comma C comma A plus B are collinear. Are collinear. They're asking collinear. Dear students, I'll explain this question to you. You know how to prove collinear means determinant equal to 0. Area is equal to 0. You can do pin video. If you do pin video, then only you can see the board. Okay. Half into A B plus C, B C plus A, C A plus B, 1 1 1. I can explain this question in 2 ways. First, normal expansion. After that, one shortcut also. See both sides. Don't write. Half into A into close first row, first column, C plus A 1, A plus B 1. Minus of B plus C into close first row, second column, B1, C1. Plus 1 into close first row, third column, B C plus A, C A plus B. 1 by 2 into A into C plus A minus B. Minus of B plus C into B minus C. Plus 1 into multiply B into A, BA plus B into B, B square. Minus C into C, C square, plus into minus CA. Half into A get cancelled, multiply AC minus AB. B plus into B minus C, B square minus C square, minus B square minus or minus plus C square, plus this term BA plus B square minus C square minus CA, minus B square plus B square cancel, minus C square plus C square cancel, AB BA cancel, AC half into 0 0. Therefore, points are collinear. See, this concept not only determines, dear students, it will come in vector algebra, it will come in 3D geometry also. There also we are doing determinant only. The concept of determinant again it will repeat in 3D geometry as well as vector algebra chapter. So dear students, whenever they can give collinear, 3 equations they will give in 3D geometry. So that it is collinear means you can find the determinant. Okay. So anywhere show collinear, do that collinear, coplanar, the type of words time is you can use determinants now onwards. Okay. When the area of triangle is equal to 0, we can say the points are collinear. Okay. Akash.
Sir, board clear ಇಲ್ಲ.
Sir, ಹೇಳಿ sir.
What is clear only now?
Sir, sir, it is clear only, sir.
Why he is saying board is not clear? I don't know.
I don't know, sir.
Clear board?
Yes, sir, it is clear
No,
only.
sir.
Sir. Perfect, sir.
Okay, okay. Maybe his internet a little slow.
Once again, I will go back and come.
Yeah, sure. No problem. Do slowly. Do slowly, everyone. No issues. I can say the second procedure later. First finish this fast. Complete everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The same question I can use the shortcut you see. Half into modulus A B plus C, B C plus A, C A, 1 1 1. Dear students, you know this is C1, column 1, column 2, column 2. Column 1 implies column 1 plus column 2 plus column 2 you can do. Half into. This is column 1, column 2. A plus B plus C. This plus this one. A plus B plus C. Column 1 third element, column 2 third element. A plus B plus C. No change in column 2. No change in column 3 as is. Now take A plus B plus C common outside. If you take A plus B plus C common, half into A plus B plus C. 1 1 1. B plus C, C plus A, A plus B, 1 1 1. These two are identical. These two are identical means value of determinant is 0. When two columns are identical, what is the value of determinant? 0. Understand? Copy.
Sir, once more explain, sir.
Tell me, what do you want? Why I wrote 0? I wrote, that's why I will say. Actually, we have a theorem. Exercise 2, we are discussing. In any determinant, two columns are identical, value of determinant is 0. Okay, that is the concept.
Only column, sir.
Pardon? I repeat once again. Yeah, what did I kept it hold? I didn't explain
Only
anything.
only columns or rows also, sir.
Columns or rows, anything. Two rows or columns are identical. Value of determinant is 0. Understand? How to pin the video? They're asking. Double click. Double click means pin the video. Double click means pin the video. Once again, I'll give one more question to you. This is a different model question. Actually, we have 4 different models in this exercise. 2 models over third one. Find value of k if area of triangle is 4 square units. You stop. And what is this? First question they given k comma 0, 4 comma 0, 0 comma 2. Area is given. Points are given. You can find the value of k. Copy question first. Copy.
Yes, sir.
How to solve this? Very important. Don't do it twice. Okay, I'll explain. Half into K0 4002 111 is equal to 4 because the given area is 4 square units. No? Next step, K into close row column 0121 minus second element 0 0 and anything 0 plus 1 into close first row third column 4002 is equal to plus or minus 8. Sir, how you got plus or minus 8, sir? Very simple, dear students. 2 cross multiply, 2 4s are 8. Modulus is there means both plus or minus possible. Okay. K into 0 minus 2 plus 1 into 8 minus 0 is equal to plus or minus 8. Minus 2k plus 8 is equal to plus or minus 8. Minus 2k plus 8 is equal to plus 8. Minus 2k plus 8 is equal to minus 8. Minus 2k is equal to 8, 8 cancel 0, k is 0. Minus 2k is equal to minus 16, minus minus cancel, k is 8. So always you are getting 2 values of k. Understand? This is very, very important. In exam, in the hurry mode, some students, they will write only 1 value. You will get only 1 marks out of 2 marks. If you want to get 2 marks, you write 2 values. Half into, generally as it is like determinant you write is equal to 4. Immediately cross multiply 2 4s are plus or minus 8 because modulus is there. Both plus or minus possible. Understand what I am explaining to you, everyone? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Complete.
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubt, you can raise your hand. Dear students. What is very clear now to everyone?
Clear, sir.
Same question in third Roman. One more question is there. That also we'll discuss. Same area of triangle is area is 4 square units. Third Roman, second question. And the vertices are given minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma 4, 0 comma k. Can you try this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Try and say the answer, everyone. Plus or minus you consider. What is the answer, anyone?
K is equals to 0, K is equals to 8.
The previous answers only we got now. Correct. But it is correct. Minus 2, 0, 0, 4, 0 k. 1, 1, 1 is equal to 4. Minus 2 into closed row column. 4, 1, k 1. Minus 0. Plus 1 into 0, 4, 0 k. Is equal to plus or minus 8. Minus 2 into 4 minus k. Plus 1 into 0 minus 0 is equal to plus or minus 8. Minus 8 plus 2k is equal to plus or minus 8. Separate it. Minus 8 plus 2k is plus 8. Minus 8 plus 2k is equal to minus 8. 2k is 16, k is 8. 2k is 0, k is 0. Hey, board is clear now?
Yes, sir. It is clear, sir.
Okay. Continuously we are seeing the mobile now, that means the iPads and computers. That's why I am using the zero glasses. Nice, huh? You also use better because you are continuously
Yes, sir.
seeing the mobiles now. Zero glasses you can use. Thank you, Akash. Thank you, Nagesh.
Sir, from minus 8, explain once again, sir.
Where? Which step?
Minus 8 plus 2k is equal to plus or minus 8.
I separated plus 8 minus 8.
Sir, minus 8 from where it came, sir, starting.
2 4s are 8. Modulus is there no plus or minus.
Okay, sir.
2 cross multiply whenever modulus is there plus or minus. Okay. Complete.
Yes, sir.
See. Copy fourth question, very important. Many times they asked fourth Roman, we have two sub questions. First one, find the equation of line joining. I write on the board the question. Find the equation of line joining. 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. Using determinants. Many times they ask this question, sir. Okay, this model question, important. Copy question, everyone. Pause. Copy. You know, equation means x and y required. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I can write half into 1, 2, 3, 6 xy 1, 1, 1 equal to 0. Equation is right answer always equal to 0 is possible now. That's why. Now 2 cross 1 plus 0 and anything 0. Why not xy here? Any equation it contains x comma y. There you only 2 points 1, 2, 3, 6. You can write x comma y and 1, 1, 1. 1 into close row column 6, 1 y 1 minus 2 into close first row second column 3, 1 x 1 plus 1 into close first row third column 3, 6 x y is equal to 0. 1 into 6 minus y minus 2 into 3 minus x plus 1 into 3y minus 6x is equal to 0. 6 minus y minus 6 minus half minus plus 2x. 3y minus 6x is equal to 0. 6, 6 cancel. Minus 4x plus 2y is equal to 0. Take minus 2 common. 2x minus y is 0. This is the required equation. 0 by minus 2, 0. No? So what I did here also, determinant only, my dear students. 2 points given. They are asking to find the equation. Equation means it contains x and y. So I consider first point 1, 2, second point 3, 6, third point x, y. 1, 1, 1. 2 cross multiply 0. Normal, simple determinant expansion. I got the equation and class. Okay. Here I took minus 2 common, that's why 2x minus 1. Any doubts, anyone? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how you equated that to 0, sir?
A equation always equal to 0. No?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
ಸರ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
Hey, cross multiply do
Sir.
into how much? Correct now?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Understand, everyone? Can I give one more question this model?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
You, sir, we are eagerly waiting, sir. think this is not good. Remove this. Same. Fourth Roman, second one. Find the equation of line joining. Three comma 1, 9 comma 3. Using determinants. Can you try, everyone? Yes, you all try. I'll give 2 minutes time to solve. Try, everyone.
X minus 3y is equals to 0.
That much faster. Okay, good. I think you have textbook.
ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
Okay. Here.
అదేంటి అది తెచ్చుకున్నారు నాకే తెలుసు నాకు తలనొప్పిగా ఉంది పెట్టుకోవద్దు
Complete. What is the answer? Half into 3193xy. As you know, you got the answer. I know. Someone said already x minus 3y equal to 0. 3 into, I can do directly. 3 minus y minus 1 into 9 minus x plus 1 into 9y minus 3x is equal to 0. 9 minus 3y minus
3y minus x is equal to 0.
Correct answer. Minus sign plus sign cancel. Minus 2x plus 6y is equal to 0. Minus 2 common, x minus 3y. X minus 3y is equal to 0. 3y minus x equal to 0 or x minus 3y equal to 0. Both are correct. Okay. No worries. Understand? Any doubt? Anyone?
సార్
No, sir.
Okay. Last question exercise. Complete. Can I move to the next question? Everyone got the answer?
ఎస్ సార్
Yes, sir.
If the area of triangle is 35 square units, question number 5. If area of triangle is 35 square units with vertices 2 comma minus 6, 5 comma 4 and k comma 4. Find k. They given options also. 12 minus 2 minus 12 comma minus 2, 12 comma minus 2. Can you try? Already you did know in third Roman same model questions. Area of triangle, find k. Plus or minus you need right now. Anyone remember? Hello, everyone remember how to solve?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Try.
Sir, option B, sir. 12 and minus 2, sir.
Correct answer. Half into modulus of 2 minus 6, 5, 4, K4. 1, 1, 1. Equal to 35. 2 into, I will write little directly. 4 ones are 4 minus 4. Minus or minus plus 6 into close row column. 5 minus K plus 1 into close row column. 20 minus 4K is equal to plus or minus 70. 0, 30 minus 6K plus 20 minus 4K plus or minus 70. 50 minus 10K is equal to plus or minus 70. 50 minus 10K is plus 70. 50 minus 10K is minus 70. Minus 20 is 10K, K is minus 2. Minus 10K is minus 120, K is 12. 12 comma minus 2. Fourth option now. Aaron got the fourth option.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good. Good, very good. Now we can do example questions. We have 2 examples also. That also we can finish. Aaron complete. Can I start examples?
Yes, sir.
Check it 1 second answer. What is the answer you got? Everyone correct now?
Yes,
I'll
sir.
listen.
Yes, sir.
Find the area of triangle whose vertices are. Example. Find area of triangle whose vertices are 3, 8, minus 4, 2, and 5, 1. Can you try this?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
find every answer? Try. Friends, answer.
Sir, 5 ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ವస్తుంది?
5 comma minus 1 na 5 comma 1
5 comma 1.
5 comma 1. Anyone got the answer?
61 by 2.
61 by 2 na 51 by 2 na
61 by 2.
60 na.
Yes, sir. 60.
Sir, 61 by 2.
Okay. Anyone got the same answer? Half into 38 minus 4251 111. Half into 3 into close row column 2 minus 1 minus 8 into close row column minus 4 minus 5 plus 1 into close row column minus 4 minus 10. 2 minus 1 and 3 ones are 3. 72 minus 14. 61 by 2. Square units. Area now, always you can represent in square units. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Every student got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. See, next question, one more example, important. We have two sub questions in this. Find equation of line joining A of 1 comma 3 and B of 0 comma 0 using determinants. This is first part of the question. And find K if D of K comma 0 is a point such that area of triangle ABD is 3 square units. First part of the question, find the line joining equation you can find. Second part of the question, find the value of K. Can you try, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X is equals to Y by 3.
Y by 3 now.
Sir, equation.
Cross multiply now.
Y is equals to 3x.
See, first
Okay.
they ask to find the equation of modulus 1300 xy 111 equal to 0. 1 into 0 minus y minus 3 into 0 minus x plus 1 into 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Minus y plus 3x is equal to 0. 3x minus y equal to 0 is the equation. Correct? Everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Next, area of triangle. First you write this one. I love and I'll explain. What are the k values you got?
2, sir. 2.
Hey, two values will get now.
Sir?
Two values will get now. K.
2 minus 2.
2 minus 2. Hey, this question now, two concepts are there.
Sir,
That's why
2 minus 2.
until now I wrote big one only now. Question is big now. I want to write in one board. That's why I wrote small. Okay. These questions carry 2 marks. What are the values of k?
K,
Of
0.
Okay. 1300 K0111 is equal to 3. 1 into 0 minus 0 minus 3 into 0 minus k plus 1 into 0 minus 0 is equal to plus or minus 6. 0 plus 3k is equal to plus or minus 6. 3k is plus 6. 3k is minus 6. K is equal to 2. K is equal to minus 2. Plus or minus 2k. Someone said 0. Plus 2 minus 2 no k value.
Yes, sir. Plus 2 minus 2.
How many got the correct answer? Plus 2 minus 2. How many got the correct answer? So all the questions in got correct answer. Good, Nagesh. Good, Pratik. All the questions in this exercise completed. This is 2 marks question, my dear students. Very, very important exercise, 2 marks. Without this question, they cannot frame any question paper. That much very important. Good, Vinod. So in this exercise, we discussed 4 different methods. The first method is find the area of triangle, correct? Second method is, one question we discussed, collinear. Collinear means area of triangle is equal to 0. Third method is find the equation of line joining. XY we consider, we find out the equation, correct? The fourth method is find the value of k. When you are doing find the value of k, you can consider plus or minus. That is very, very important, dear students. You can consider plus or minus. Any doubt, anyone in this area?
No, sir.
Everyone understood clearly? I can give 3-4 questions to solve determinant for you, just for the examples. So you can try and say answer now. Some questions I can give, you can say the answer, okay? 3 questions I can give. 1 0 0 3 3 0 5 2 minus 1. You can find the determinant answer. 2 1 3 4 minus 1 0 minus 7 2 1. 1 minus 1 2 0 2 minus 3 3 minus 2 4. It's visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
I can mute everyone because unless you can say answer.
First one -3.
You can say answer only in chat box because others are trying. No, that's why. Others are trying the answer. That's why you can use chat box and say the answer. Yes, Arun Kumar. Second one. Okay, Hemant. Everyone, you can say the answer. Don't go anywhere. Half into. Why half of? Only determinant to one, no? Half not. Why? 1 into minus 3 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. First one minus 3. No need to multiply second element, third element because already zeros are there. Okay. Next, 2 into close row column. Minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 into 4 minus 0 plus 3 into 8 minus 7. Minus 2 minus 4 plus 3. Second one also minus 3 only, no? Eight minus 7, that is not plus 7. Careful. Third one. 1 into 8 minus 6. Minus 7 minus plus 1 into 0 plus 9. Plus 2 into 0 minus 6. 2 plus 9 minus 12. Minus 1. Correct, huh? Everyone got the same answers? Correct answer. Hemant wants to check it. I hope you wrote here 8 plus 7. 8 minus 7. Careful. See, if you do fast, you will do mistakes. That's why I suggest the students, if you have sufficient time, do slowly only. Okay. Everyone got the same answers? Yes, very good. So,